Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into custom carving. For those of you that have turned into a few of the previous videos, you'll know it's all about just basic carving, anything sort of wood carving related. I'm just a beginner myself, so if you're joining in, it's just to hopefully share some advice and tips that I've picked up along the way and see how we get on. Apologies, there's not been any new content for a while. I think this COVID situation's had a different impact on all of us. I've actually had to move house and all sorts throughout it, to be honest with you, so it's good to finally get a few hours to actually be able to dedicate back to the carving side of things. And what I'm going to be working on today is a project I actually started probably about a month and a half ago. My daughter said to me that she wanted a wand. I asked her what kind of wand she actually wanted, and she said a dragon. So at the minute I've done quite a bit of the work. It was just some CLS timber, stuck two bits together for the head and the wand. Took most of the bulk out now with the Kutzall burrs. Highly recommend them for taking out any bulk material. And now I'm back to the finer details really. So you can probably see already it's starting to form a dragon head shape. And the aim is to try and get it to look like it's a dragon wrapped around the wand, which so far, surprisingly, seems to be going well. I didn't do any videos of the bulk removal, so I'm hoping to just do a few more videos as I'm doing the finishing touches to this, putting the finer details on, putting the scales on, and then hopefully finishing it at the end so that we actually turn out with a dragon wand. So as normal, I'll be using my Dremel 4000 for this, and a few different bits, to be honest with you. With this being the finer detail ones, I'll be using the smaller bits. I'll go through them as we go through the video. If you do like the video, as normal, please subscribe to the channel, and obviously stay tuned for future videos. Any comments or tips or anything is always welcome as well. So before we go any further, obviously let's just get set up and get carving. What I aim to get done today is hopefully, if you can see at the moment, there's a few places where I've already put the scales in. Initially the outlines where I want them, again very randomly placed, because for me at the end of the day it's a dragon, so they are going to be random, I would imagine. So I'm going to hopefully, if you can just see on the video, I've done about halfway at the moment with it wrapping round. I'm hoping to get the rest of it finished, and then hopefully just sand it down a little bit to emphasize the scales. Also had a bit of an accident, so when I joined the two pieces together with wood glue, it wasn't quite strong enough, and as I was carving the dragon form into the wood, it actually snapped. Now I've re-wood glued it, and I've also added super glue for some extra strength, but you can see at the moment there's quite a prominent line. So hopefully through a bit of detailing and sanding, possibly stick a bit of wood glue in there again with a bit of sawdust just to try and get rid of that line, and hopefully you won't see it when the end product's finished. But no, this is where we are so far. I think it's coming out pretty well for a first time. Let me know your thoughts, and we'll get on with the carving now. And again, let me know your thoughts. If you pick up any tips along the way, great. And if you like the videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. Here we go. So just to give you a bit more detailed look with regards to the dragon wand, where we are at the moment. This is the head. So far it's starting to take form now. I think it does look a little bit like a dragon anyway, so it's getting there, and you can see where I've already sort of outlined where I want the scales to go on the face, and also along the nose, probably a little bit smaller. And this is all just me just playing around with it really to make sure it hopefully is going to look right at the end. I've got about halfway through with detailing where I'm going to put the scales, as you can see, and it's about continuing that now so I can finish the rest of the piece off, and hopefully getting it looking a little bit like a dragon wand by the end of it. So I'm going to start off by just setting up my Dremel 4000. I'm going to be using the smaller wheel initially just to try and put in the outlines of where I want them, which will be the Dremel 105 attachment. Just to give me a bit of an outline of something to work with. And then I'm going to be using some diamond burrs that I've got just to try and deepen and sort of re-outline the scales so that they look more natural before we actually sand the piece, and then finish it off. So stay tuned, watch it. Obviously for the next few minutes it's going to be probably quite boring. I'll speed it up a little bit if I can in the video editing, but it's just going to be literally trying to continue this sort of outline, what we've done to sort of outline the scales already along the bulk of where he's wrapping around the actual wand, all the way around, so that we can then put some finer details in for the scales. But so far, pretty happy with the way this project's going, so stay tuned and let's get carving. Right, so here we go, guys. As I say, it's just about, for me now, finishing these scales. I do it all freehand because for me, with regards to dragon scales, I don't think they would ever be perfectly uniformed or anything like that. So I'm just going to outline it with this small Dremel wheel. Got it attached to, as I said, my Dremel 4000. I've got it set to around about 20,000, just to get these outlines in. As you can see there, I've actually made a bit of mistake because this should have continued wrapping around, and I've put a line in there to go back around that way, but I'm sure I can correct that later on just with a bit of detailed sanding. So here we go.